Hello po ma'am, let me know po kung ano ang age limit, qualifications, and requirements. Thank you po. So, ang qualification na ito is for Philippine Libakichi. So, Philippine Libakichi only accepts ex-abroad po. Only ex-abroad. So, about naman po sa age limit nila is 26 to up to 42. Yes po, up to 42. Oh, baka naman may mag-ano na naman dyan, hanggang 40 lang sila. Wait lang po, explain ko lang po ha. So, ang Philippine Libakichi is tumatanggap po sila hanggang 42 or sometimes 43 nga daw. Basta, yung experience mo is maganda. I mean, kapag you have a long experience with your employer, like you work for more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, or 10 years, it would be better. Sabi yan ni Ma'am Olchay ha. Yan o resibo ko. Tinanong ko talaga yan si Ma'am Olchay about sa mga age limit dyan. So, if you're above 40 po, like you're 40, 41, 42, 43, so dapat more than 5 or 6 years dapat yung working experience nyo po. 5 to 10 years dapat yung working experience nyo kapag 40 up na po kayo. So, ang hindi lang po nila tinatanggap is kapag 40 ka na, tas yung work experience mo is only 2 years, so hindi po nila yun tatanggapin. So, kung pasok ka sa kanilang qualifications, then go Rebels na, dyan na po kayo mag-apply kay Ma'am Olchay sa Philippine Libakichi. Good luck!